So have you ever read the advice about staying silent and not reacting to a narcissist? That is because every response you give them becomes an ammunition. They will twist and distort it to fit their narrative. And it's the same when you're dealing with a group of cloud-chasing, karmic, tarot-reading narcissists who are engaging in gang stalking. So no matter what you say or do, or what the actual situation is, they will manipulate the story to make it seem like you're the problem. When the truth is, they have been exposed as a narcissistic, deceitful, evil group who have been targeting and scapegoating others. But as the exposure unfolds, they will try to flip the script and they will release readings claiming you are being exposed, when in reality, they have been using you as their scapegoat the entire time. So from a psychological standpoint, being exposed triggers deep toxic shame with this narcissist. They cannot handle the collapse of their false image, this false being of light, or the unraveling of their lies. So, in desperation, they will cling to their illusions and project the blame onto you. And that is how they cope with denial and delusion and fabricated tarot readings. Maybe it helps them sleep at night despite the harm that they cause. Sure, you can put on a thick makeup or blush on and look like a clown, but looking like a clown and being one are two different things. So if you're lying, manipulating, and pretending to be spiritual while engaging in shady behavior, you're not just looking like a clown. You are the clown. But of course, the biggest clown of all is that desperate karmic paying all of your... I know you will tell others I'm being mean, but are you also telling them why I am mean? Probably not, because narcissists will always be the victim, even after all the harm that they have caused you. I guess they were right. Like the Pinterest in here, saying that narcissists intentionally provoke you in order to manufacture the reaction that they desire, that validates the exact issues that they have described in their smear campaign against you. Do not, under any circumstances, take the bait and engage defending yourself, because no matter what you say, they will twist and manipulate to fit their lies. But you see, I have other plans.